today's review, where we're diving deep into one of the most iconic names in automotive history, the Ford Mustang. The 2026 model takes everything that makes the Mustang a legend and pushes it into the future with bold design, advanced technology, and electrifying performance. Whether you're a die-hard muscle car enthusiast or just someone who appreciates great engineering, this new Mustang has something that'll grab your attention from the very first glance. The 2026 Ford Mustang isn't just a car, it's a living legend redefined for a new generation. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Mustang's presence demands attention. The body is sculpted with sharper, more aerodynamic lines that blend heritage muscle with futuristic flair. The front fascia features a bolder grille with active air shutters, flanked by slimmer LED matrix headlights that give it a predatory stare. The signature tri-bar taillights return, now redesigned with dynamic animations that flash with personality every time you unlock the car. Even at a standstill, the Mustang looks ready to charge. Under the hood, Ford keeps the spirit alive with multiple engine options. The base 2.3-liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder delivers impressive power and torque while maintaining efficiency for daily driving. But for purists, the heart of the beast is still the 5.0-liter Coyote V8, now upgraded with hybrid assistance that pushes its output beyond 500 horsepower. It's a blend of raw muscle and modern efficiency, letting you feel that classic Mustang rumble while optimizing fuel economy when cruising. The hybrid system doesn't dilute the thrill, it enhances it, offering instant electric torque for lightning-fast acceleration off the line. The transmission options remain true to Mustang's roots, a crisp 6-speed manual for those who crave control, or a 10-speed automatic for smooth, intelligent shifts that adapt to your driving style. Drive modes have also been refined: normal, sport, track, and drag strip. Each recalibrate throttle response, steering weight, and suspension stiffness to suit your mood. The 2026 model even introduces an adaptive Smart Track mode that uses AI to learn your driving habits, predicting your next move for seamless performance. Step inside, and the transformation is just as striking. The cabin is evolved into a digital cockpit while staying loyal to Mustang's driver-first layout. A 13.2-inch curved touchscreen blends with a customizable 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster, creating a single, fluid display that feels like a fighter jet interface. Ford's latest Sync 5 system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, voice control, and even remote performance data logging. The materials are premium, with soft touch leather, aluminum accents, and optional carbon fiber trims, giving the interior a refined motorsport-inspired feel. Ambient lighting can be customized to match your drive mode or mood, making night drives a truly immersive experience. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mustang remains a rear-wheel drive purist's dream. Its new independent suspension system, lightweight aluminum chassis components, and enhanced aerodynamic balance keep it glued to the road through corners. Ford's engineers have fine-tuned the steering for precision and feedback, so every twist of the wheel feels connected, every gear shift purposeful. Optional Brembo brakes with advanced ceramic rotors provide incredible stopping power, while the MagneRide adaptive dampers continuously adjust to road conditions for unmatched comfort and control. Technology extends beyond performance. Ford's BlueCruise hands-free driving system is available for highway cruising, using radar and cameras to maintain lanes and distance automatically. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring the Mustang isn't just fast, it's smart and secure. For the design enthusiasts, there's no shortage of personalization. The 2026 Mustang offers a wide range of trims, from the sleek EcoBoost Premium to the fire-breathing GT and the track-focused Dark Horse Edition. Each variant features unique exterior touches, wheel designs, and aerodynamic packages. The Dark Horse in particular stands out with its aggressive splitter, rear diffuser, and distinctive blue-tinted engine bay, designed for both aesthetic impact and aerodynamic performance. And let's not forget the sound. Ford's new active exhaust system lets you choose your roar, from a quiet, neighborhood-friendly tone to a full-throttle, heart-pounding symphony that defines Mustang's character. You can literally feel the car breathe with every rev at its core. The 2026 Mustang captures everything enthusiasts love about this icon: power, freedom, and individuality. Yet it brings it all into the future with electrified performance, cutting-edge technology, and refined luxury. It's not just about going fast, it's about feeling alive while doing it. Whether you're cruising the highway, tearing up the track, or simply admiring its muscular stance in your driveway, the 2026 Ford Mustang proves that legends never fade, they evolve. This car isn't merely a machine, it's an experience, a bridge between classic American muscle and modern innovation. The Mustang still roars, still thrills, and now it does it smarter than ever before.